Hi guys, it's Tiggs here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I get to show you tips, tools, and cool finds to make life better. This week I'm going to do LinkedIn Part 2 where I show you exactly how to prospect for net new customers. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you a great trick, and it does not require LinkedIn Sales Navigator. It's just your standard LinkedIn. I would always recommend that you also get a subscription of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which is only $80 a month. Go up to the top under search function. What you're ultimately looking to do is find a title of a specific individual that you're looking for. For example, you're looking for an IT manager. That's the title you're searching for. Then add the location. Then let's add in an industry. So it's title plus location plus industry. All right, let's begin. IT manager, space, Toronto, space, healthcare, and press enter. And then you're going to see LinkedIn actually bring up all of the search results. And all you would do is you'd go into see all people results, click on that, and you'll be able to get anyone with the title IT manager. Now, obviously, this particular search function does not necessarily showcase the size of company, because oftentimes actual size of an organization matters. That's where Sales Navigator will come in, because you'll have a lot more search criteria available. Shortly after this, I'm going to show you searching on Sales Navigator. Enter LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and from here you'll see at the very top the different menu options, and you'll also see the search for leads. I normally like to start with the left-hand side, which ultimately helps me to build out my lists. At the top, there's lead results, and then there's account results. So if you're searching for specific companies, then you would pick account results, right, versus the lead results. Now, the lead results, I think that that's actually a more useful area to start with. The reason is because you're going to get very pinpointed individuals that you should be reaching out to on LinkedIn. And you can also send messages using LinkedIn InMail. So from here, you can search for keywords. If there's a specific software program that you're looking to target and someone's proficient in that, then you could narrow down your search even further. Normally, I would like to start with the geography. Let's choose Toronto. Now you can choose Toronto or Greater Toronto. So you'll see there's 140,000 results from just Toronto proper, but 190,000 results from Toronto and the surrounding area. So generally speaking, Greater Toronto area will serve you more. Just be cognizant of that. Be aware that there might be a slight variation that you would look at. The beautiful thing about this is not only does it provide you with just regional lookups, but if you have a specific pinpointed postal code requirement, you can also do that. Or even company headquarters. So that's fantastic. We're going to stick with region for the time being. Then, if you want, you can further narrow down the search. If you have an extensive LinkedIn network already, I happen to have about 5,000 LinkedIn connections. But if you do not, and you're starting off relatively new to LinkedIn, then you might want to skip this particular section and head over to the company. Even with respect to the company, I would suggest actually skipping that over as well and just going into industry. If you want to narrow down your search and maybe start off your prospecting efforts in a specific vertical, so say for example, you're targeting nonprofits, okay? Choose nonprofits. Then you may choose company headcount. So this is a fantastic search function because now you're going to be able to see that between 1 and 10 employees for nonprofits, there's 2,500 results. That's pretty high. We're going to choose, for argument's sake, 11 to 50 employees. Then seniority level, let's say they're managers and also senior managers. If you want to also add owners, you can certainly do that. In terms of job function, let's choose information technology because it allows us to further narrow down the search. And you'll see here that based on all of these requirements, Greater Toronto Area, nonprofit organization, 11 to 50 employee headcount, they're a manager or a senior manager within information technology, which is the job function. And if you want, you could further narrow down from a title perspective to IT manager. Let's see what pops up. Okay, well, by typing in IT manager, it really cuts out a lot of folks. So we're going to take that out, and maybe we'll add some folks, owners and directors. Much better search results. If you go to the very top, you'll see 171 search results, of which in the last 90 days, 17 folks have actually gotten new job titles. So the reason why LinkedIn Sales Navigator showcases this particular area is because if someone started a new job, generally speaking, they would be very open to having a conversation for new services. So this is why LinkedIn specifically highlights that piece. And it also shows you of the 171, 30 folks have actually posted in the last 30 days, meaning 30 tend to be active on LinkedIn. So you may want to narrow down your search even further by clicking on that and then just targeting those individuals because they tend to be active, meaning that they're likely going to respond to you. So LinkedIn's trying to help you get the best return on investment, which is your time and your prospecting efforts.
Over the years, I have found a great deal of success leveraging LinkedIn for prospecting executives, and I hope the same goes for you. If you did find this video to be helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time.